Welcome to the next step in our screencast for Maui and Moana. So, in the last one, if you watched, we had Moana's boat and Moana moving in parallel. I'm going to change that a little bit for the simplicity's sake. I actually grouped Moana and the boat together so they all move in the same direction because of the odd shape of the grouped objects and them needing to move in a different direction than the individual. They would towards the end they separate just a little bit, and I want to keep them together. So I grouped them together, and now you notice I've moved the whale up to 50 meters. Being 50 meters up, little anything higher than that will cause my whale to not be accessible. So I've tried this at 100 meters. I could probably go up to 60 or 70. Once I hit that 100 mark, I can't see it anymore. So if I need to move it around, it's too far away. The reason I did that is because I wanted to appear when we activate the boat. So we activate Moana, and look, there's Maui. Now, one of the fun scenes is when Maui does all these shape-shifting pieces where he changes back and forth and different things. So you can't really make things disappear and reappear too easily in the block version, but you can make them go up and down really fast. So you'll notice I have the whale moving down 50 meters in 0.001 seconds, so it's instant, almost instant. You don't really notice it moving, it just sort of shows up. So the next thing I want to do is I want to leave some pause in between the next movement. So what's going to happen is as this is moving, while it's moving, Maui's going to make all these shifts. But I have to add some more things to more creatures. This is another lovely aspect of the EDU account is you have a lot more objects to use. Maybe not right now while it's loading, but there's some good objects that I can start with. I want to use a butterfly. All right, there's plenty of animals in here. So now I've got my butterfly. Let's make it a little bigger, not that big. I'm going to turn it orange, and we're going to elevate that up 50 meters as well, 51 almost. Basically, I want the butterfly and the whale to be pretty much in the same spot. I have to make sure I name the butterfly because this isn't a pre-created object. Enter so you don't lose that name. And now I'm going to duplicate this block. The reason I'm going to do it is because I'm going to make the whale disappear. Make it go back up. And I'm going to duplicate it again. And in its place, coming down, will be the butterfly. There we go. Now you see with this, I want to move the butterfly over a little bit because it's just a little bit off. So let's try that one more time. See the demonstration. Whale, butterfly, pretty close. And we can continue to make the animal changes like that. So that's how you're going to make make some quick changes and execute all that in parallel using your CodeSpaces Blockly.